My best wishes for you. Great start for Jan. Love for Feb. Peace for March. No worries for April. Fun for May. Joy for June to November. Happiness for December. Have a wonderful new year. May this new year bring you great health and happiness. May millions of flames illuminate your life with endless joy, prosperity, health and wealth forever. Wishing you and your family a happy new year. Wishing you a new year filled with new hope, new aspirations and new happiness. Wish this new year bring for you lots of joy, happiness, good health and indeed wealth. Have a rocking year. Wish you a happy new year. And now let us welcome the new year, full of things that have never been. New is the year, new are the hopes. New is the resolution, new are the spirits, and new are my warm wishes just for you. Have a promising and fulfilling new year. May the coming year bring more happiness to you than last year. May you have an amazing year, happy new year with lots of love. May you find joy in your hearts and strength in your body this year. Wishing you a blessed new year. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. May the new year fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter, and may God bless you today and every day. Happy New Year. Happy New Year wishes and my loving prayers to you. My God always watch over you and make your life more blissful than ever. Happy New Year wishes, sending you your supply of love, joy and peace. Get rid of the old to make place for the new, and I wish you happiness throughout the year. Best wishes for the new year. 2025, sending you courage, strength and determination for a fantastic new year. May the new year bring only happiness and joy to you and your beautiful family. Happy New Year. New hopes, new dreams, new chances, new beginnings. Happy New Year. May this new year be of peace, love and many achievements. Thank you for an amazing year full of love and friendship. Let's make this year as good as the last one. Wishing you beautiful moments, treasures memory, and all the blessing a heart can know. Happy New Year. Praying your year is everything you hope and dream. Year's end is neither an end nor a beginning but a going on, with all the wisdom that experience can instill in us. Life's not about expecting, hoping and wishing. It's about doing, being and becoming. Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people. Happy new dreams, happy new hopes, happy new chances, happy new you, happy new year. New year, new feels, new chances and new dreams. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. The longer you live in the past, the less future you have to enjoy. When we lose someone we love, we must learn not to live without them, but to live with the love they left behind. May 2025 be a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and boundless possibilities. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.